Hi friends, today I will unbox and demonstrate two amazing products of the CUKTECH. First is CUKTECH 20 power bank and the second one is CUKTECH 15 power bank. Let's take a look one by one. The size of the power bank is about the same size as a can of cola. Adopts a classic gray matte design combined with a futuristic blue light strip, demonstrating the combination of fashion and high technology. Whether for travel or daily use, is an unbeatable choice. Don't wait around for your power bank to charge. Supports a ultra speedy 110 watt input. It refills itself in no time. Just 19 minutes for a 40% boost and around 2 hours for a full charge. Hit the road with confidence knowing that your power bank is ready when you are. Featuring high intuitive TFT display, it keeps you informed with real-time info like battery level, power, voltage, and current. Stay in control and stay engaged with your power bank. The geographical display makes understanding its status a breeze. Packed with a auto-grade battery, it's built to last with over 1,000 charge cycles. That's over 3 times the lifespan of an ordinary power bank. With its reliable 25,000 mAh power source, it can charge your MacBook Pro 1.2 times or your iPhone 14 up to 4 times. It's the power you can count on. The CUKTECH 20 power bank delivers 140 watts of power, fully compliant with the latest PD 3.1 charging protocol. It eliminates the inconvenience of sluggish charging, offering a quick charging solution tailored for devices such as MacBook Pro. Compared to ordinary high-power chargers, it's a league of its own. It has different ports, Type C1, Type C2, and USB A1. You can charge your laptop, smartphones, AirPods, tablets, MacBook, and more. The CUKTECH 15 power bank is equipped with a 20,000 mAh high-capacity battery, providing ample power to charge your iPhone 14 up to 3.3 times or charge a MacBook Air once. It supports special power needs for your outdoor use, making it a convenient and practical companion that ensures worry-free battery life. Featuring 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, delivers an impressive maximum output power up to 100 watts. And 150 watts for Xiaomi. Whether charging laptops, phones, tablets, or other devices, versatile ports facilitates rapid charging, addressing power needs efficiently in any location. Compatible with multi-fast charging protocols including PPS, PD 3.0, and QC 3.0, CUKTECH 15 power bank meets the fast charging needs of various devices. It supports a maximum 100 watts fast charging for laptops, enabling the MacBook Air to reach a 55% charge in just 30 minutes. Employing auto-grade 21,700 power cells and featuring an extra-large metal heat plate, the power bank ensures effective heat dissipation. Equipped with 4 built-in temperature sensors, it monitors temperature fluctuation in real time, further enhancing durability. Its high power charging and discharging capabilities contribute to faster charging times and extended usage. The CUKTECH 15 power bank boasts a stylish silver frosted body with a black anti-slip texture, providing a comfortable grip. Its rectangular design allows for an upright placement, optimizing space efficiently. Whether during outdoor travel, business trips, or daily transport, it's convenient and unparalleled.